Plums, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun video for you because it's something I've always wanted to do. So today we are going to see how many ways can we wear our lipstick. I'm going to be using only 3 lipsticks and we're gonna see how many ways can we wear them. How fun is that? So let's start with the first one. So first off, I am going to be starting with my Rogue by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. I am going to be using this one as my contour and as my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be applying very, very little on my cheekbones. That's it. I don't want to contour anything else. And then this, I am going to blend it with my fingers. Then I'm going to be putting a little bit on my eyelid. And that I am going to be blending it with my fingers too. So the reason why I am using my fingers is because I find it so much easier than a brush, because it's full-on cream. And I don't mean cream as in, you know, kind of like contour or blush cream, but like full on heavy cream. No, not that kind of heavy cream. Anyway, let's blend. You guys, I am really liking this contour. I might even start wearing lipstick instead of normal contour. Okay, now onto the eyes. Let's see how hard this is to blend. Because like I mentioned, since it is lipstick, it is kind of a little bit harder to blend because it's more stuck to your skin. And the cream is almost solid, I would dare to say. A very hard, creamy substance. But I have to say, I am definitely loving this. I've seen so many people wear lipstick on different parts of their faces, yet I had never tried it, only lip tint on the cheeks until today. And you guys, this is magnificent. I am obsessed with this color of lipstick on my eyes. It just looks bronzy, just looks, you know, it just looks very neutral, and it feels like it combines with pretty much anything. And it brushes off really nicely, because even though I didn't use a brush and I am not using like a powder eyeshadow, it just looks so even and, well, very gorgeous if you ask me. So my next lipstick is going to be this one by Estee Lauder in Pure Color Envy, shade 220. So this one is a very nice pink. So I'm going to be applying a little bit on my cheeks, and I'm also going to be applying that on my lips, but step by step. I didn't go step by step on the eyes and the cheeks, but let's do it this time. So we start blending this. I would love to know if you guys have ever tried wearing lipstick in other parts of your faces, and if you did, how did it go? I would love to see a picture of your makeup, and if not, I would love to challenge you to do this. I actually saw this influencer that I like a lot. Her name is Dima Shakely, and she's on Instagram. She's a fashion influencer, but she's also getting a lot into beauty. And she actually did this with a Gucci lipstick. It was bright pink, and her eyes, her lips, and her cheeks were bright pink. But the eyes and the cheeks were much more subtle than the lips. It just turned out gorgeously. Okay, so I take the same color and I'm gonna put that on my lips. This formula is so rich and so creamy. It's just, you barely feel like you're wearing any lipstick. You kind of feel like you're wearing a lip balm, except that it doesn't act like a lip balm, but it doesn't dehydrate your lips either. And the color is divine too. I mean, I feel people don't wear enough pink lipsticks anymore. Let's bring them back. So now, as the highlighter, I was very conflicted because I was thinking about wearing a gloss. Then I thought it would look way too slimy. And then I thought that, well, there's not really many lipsticks that are just sheer. So I ended up finding this Dior Lip Glow in shade 209. See how it looks? So I am going to be applying this on all of the places that I normally tend to apply highlighter, well, except for the inner corner of the eyes. And then what's really nice about this lip glow is that it's kind of got that unicorn glow, so it's definitely gonna match our pink cheeks. So let's blend. So far so good. It's a bit savage if you ask me though, because it looks too pinkish, but it's all right. I mean, if I would recommend you, don't put it on your cupid's bow like I did. I ended up removing it. Just put it on your cheeks and on the sides of your forehead so that you can get that nice unicornish glow. Very editorial. If you want to add a little bit of that Dura lip glow on top of your lipstick, go ahead and do it. I don't want to, because I like this color just as it is. Also, if you want to add a little bit of a gloss on top of your lipstick, go ahead and do that, or on top of your eyes, and create that kind of wet look. I like this just as it is. Very natural, very simple, perfect for an everyday makeup look. And I hope you guys liked it. What did you guys think about this video? Don't forget to comment down below, and if you have any crazy ideas about new makeup videos to film, also mention them down in the comments below, because I would be happy to film them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again next week on another tutorial of the porcelain plum. Hasta la vista, baby.